In the mobile galley, portability often comes at the cost of thermal mass. A griddle that lacks structural integrity will warp under high-intensity thermal stress, compromising your cooking surface. At Wade Media Labs, we launched a thermal saturation audit of the Blackstone 22-inch Adventure Ready. We analyzed its cold-rolled steel integrity, burner flux, and heat recovery coefficients. The heart of the system is a 3.5 mm cold-rolled steel plate. We audited the molecular density of the cooking surface, finding superior carbon distribution that allows for a high-fidelity polymerized seasoning layer. We measured thermal distribution. The dual H-shaped burners deliver 24,000 ts of force. Our audit shows that the Adventure Ready chassis optimizes the air-to-gas ratio to maintain a steady-state blue flame even in high-wind environments. Stability is measured by recovery speed. We launched a 3-pound cold protein load and verified a temperature recovery to 350 degrees within 90 seconds, minimizing latent heat dip. Our audit confirms, the Blackstone 22-inch is a structural outlier. Its combination of high-mass steel and a reinforced stand makes it a verified asset for the 2026 outdoor hearth. Don't just grill, manage the thermal energy. In the workshop of the outdoors, the Blackstone 22 is the only currency that delivers a verified sear in a portable chassis. See the full metallurgical logs in our 2026 griddle rankings at outdoorcookgear.com. Look for the Blackstone Adventure Audit.